For our viewers, can you please give us a better idea of exactly what it is that your company does in the area of regulatory compliance?
Sure, thanks. Pleasure to be here, Nancy. So Checkbox is essentially a platform that enables subject matter experts to transform their regulation into software without touching a single line of code. So you kind of imagine the professionals of today, they have a lot of domain expertise in what they do, whether it be tax or banking or legal, but they don't have necessarily the IT capability to go and automate a lot of those processes. And so what we do is we're a digital transformation tool that allows them to use drag and drop to actually build business applications extremely rapidly.
Evan, given the legal sensitivities, though, in this area, I have to ask you, if you're a big established company, why do I risk outsourcing to Checkbox? Why not just step up my investment in this area and do it in-house?
That's a great question. So, like I said, often most of these companies are not technology companies. So what we do is we don't actually handle any of the IP, so to speak. So we're not domain experts ourselves as a technology company. We find organizations like, the big four auditing firms or a big legal firm or the banks, and we partner together to couple their experience with our technology and produce, solutions for the market.
Evan, this is Gerard, and similar to Nancy, congratulations on the win. What kind of cost savings? What kind of cost savings do you think the companies that join forces with you can generate by moving stuff to an electronic form from paper form?
Yeah, I mean, it's huge. It's huge. It's not just cost savings. I mean, that's one of the factors. But really, what you get by going digital are things like, data analytics, right? So being able to actually capture everything that goes through the process and then have insights into, how your customers are interacting with you. And on that note as well, it's a much better customer experience, right? So rather than sending them maybe a folder full of Excel spreadsheets or a Word doc, you're now sending them, an access into a solution in the cloud that they can walk through and track and manage and always resume the progress of. And I think I'll add a third thing to that, which is when you go digital, it becomes so much easier to actually generate revenue-generating tools as well. It's no longer productivity games. It's also about monetizing a lot of your knowledge as well, commoditizing, productizing it as well.